In honor of Valentine's coming up, I thought we'd dip some strawberries.
Hi, my name is Cheryl and I offer recipes and techniques so you can make your own chocolates at home or even to sell online in your own home-based business.
I have 3 different kinds of chocolate for you here today. One is white chocolate. I've colored white chocolate with some pink colorant from, I use the Roxy and Rich colorants. You can also use a gel color from Chef Master, this one is, and you just put that in the white chocolate as well. And then we're going to use some luster dust from Roxy and Rich also to decorate them. I have it in gold and I have it in a red. If you don't know how to temper chocolate, watch my video on 3 easy ways to temper chocolate.
To begin, make sure your strawberries are at room temperature, and I also find it easier to put the chocolate into cups so it makes it deeper and much easier for dipping. The first couple, I'm just going to simply dip them and then drizzle them after. And I also have some red decorative sugar here that I'm going to decorate one with. Another idea is to take a strawberry and drizzle it first, and then take a toothpick and drag it through the lines to make a nice decorative design. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope you try dipping strawberries this Valentine's. It's a lot easier than you think.